Namaste students. So today we will do exercise 5.2 question number 11 of your NCERT book. Which term of the AP 315/27 will be 132 more than its 24th term? So how to proceed? So the given AP is 3, 15, then 27. 3, 15, 27 are in AP. So 3, 15, 27 are in AP. It is given to us. So from this we can write the first term A, which is your 3. Common difference we can find out that the second term minus the first term, that means 15 minus 3, which will be equal to 12. So we got A and D. A the first term and D the common difference. Then which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So we are not known to the term which will be more than its 54th term. So the unknown term, we'll take it as, suppose it as nth term. So let the nth term be 132 more than 54th term. So let the nth term be 132 more than 54th term. So therefore we can write AN is equal to A54 plus 132. So A54, we can write it as A plus 53D plus 132. A, it is given to us in this given, that is 3, plus 53 into D, that means into 12 plus 132. So 3 plus, while multiplying 53 into 12. So 53 into 12. $636 plus 132. So by adding these numbers, 363 plus 3 will be 360. 636 plus 3 will be 639. 639 plus 132 will be 771. $731 is the nth term. Now, as we are asked to find out which term, that means we need to find out n, small n. As we know, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. An is given to us, we got it as 771. A3 plus n minus 1 d, which is 12. Now to solve this equation, we'll bring this 3 to your left hand side, which will be 771 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 12. So 771 minus 3 will be 769 is equal to n minus 1 into 12. Now 769 as 12 is multiplied. It will be 768. 768, which is equal to, as 12 is multiplied with n minus 1, it will be divided here, n minus 1. Now we'll try to cancel 768 by 12. So directly by 6 we can do. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 16, 6 3s are 18, so 6 2s are 12, 16 minus 12 will be 4, 6 8 are 48. Again 2 and 128 can be cancelled. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. So 64 is equal to n minus 1. 64 plus 1 is equal to n. That means n equals 65. That means which term of the AP is 132 more than 54th term? So therefore 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. The next question is, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So what is the difference between their 1000th term? So in this question, the common difference is same, but the first term, it is not same. So let small a and capital A be the first term of the two APs and D be their common difference. Between 100th term of the two APs. So let A and capital A be the first term of the two APs and D be their common difference between 100th term. So 100th term, that means in general form A100. So A100 will be equal to A plus 100 minus 1 D. So we can write here A plus 99 D for the first AP, the 100th term, and then for the second AP, capital A plus 99 D. So difference between the 100th term is given as 100. A plus 99D minus capital A minus 99D equal to 100. So this 2 will be cancelled. So A minus capital A equal to 100. Let me take this as equation 1. Now according to the question, what is the difference between their 1000th term? So the difference between 1000th term of the two APs will be A plus 999D minus capital A plus 999D, which is equal to A plus 999D minus capital A minus 999D. These two will be cancelled. So we can write A minus capital A. So A minus capital A, we got it as 100. So in this place we can write 100. How we can write? By using equation 1. So what we got? So difference between 1000th term, so difference between 1000th terms of two APs is 100. So question number 13, how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many? That means number of terms. That means we need to find out n, small n. So how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So that means we need to think for three-digit number. So three-digit number divisible by 7. So three-digit number which are divisible by 7. How to find out those numbers which are divisible by 7? So let me show you a method for that. So as we know that the three-digit number will start with 100, 101, 102. It will be going on till the last three-digit number, which is 999. So these are the three-digit number. But we need to find out that which three-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So let me divide this 100 by 7. 7 1 is 7. We subtract here. So 10 minus 7 will be your 3. Then comes your 0 down, which will be 30. So 7 4s are 28. 2 carry. 2 is the remainder. Okay, that means 100 is not divisible by 7. Okay. Then for 0 1, let me divide by 7. So 7 1 is 7. 31. 7 4s are 28. We'll get 8 3. So this is also not divisible. So you can see a number 30, 31. Then next it will be 32. Now just a trick, think for the multiplication table of 7 nearby 30, 31. That means multiplications of table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. And 7 5s are 35. That means in this place 30 or 31, if we get 35, then this number will be divisible, completely divisible, right? So with that we have got a hint that 105. Let me do with 7. So 7 1 just 7. 3 is the remainder. 5 comes down. 7 5s are 35. So therefore 0 is a remainder. So that means 105 is divisible by 7. Okay. So the 3-digit number divisible by 7 are, the first number we got as 105. Then in this type of question, your common difference will always be 7. Remember, in this type of question, 3-digit number divisible by 7 or 2-digit number divisible by any number. So always this divisor will be the common difference. So let us add 105 plus 7. So 105 plus 7 will get 112. Similarly, we need to find out the last 3-digit number. Again, coming to the numbers here. So as I told, as we know that 999 is your number, 3-digit number. So let me divide this 999 by 7. 7 1s is 7. We do subtraction. 2 comes down. 9. Then 7 4s are 28. 1 comes down. 19. 7 2s are 14. Okay. 5 we got as a remainder. So to find out the last 3-digit number, what we will do? I'll subtract this 5 from this dividend. That means 999 minus 5, which will be 994. So let us see 994 is completely divisible or not. 994, is it divisible or not? Let us see. 7 1s are 7, 29. 7 4s are 28, 14. 7 2s are 14. Yes. So 994 is completely divisible, and this is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. So we got the series in this case. While solving this, we got the series. So the 3-digit number divisible by 7 are 105, 112 dot and 994. Now according to the question, we need to find out that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So with this only we have formed the AP. Now we'll proceed. In this case, your A is given in 105, D is your 7, and AN, the last term, is given as 994. Next, as we know, AN equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So as an equal to 994, a is your 105, n minus 1, d is your 7. So 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1, 7. So 994 minus 105. So 994, 105. 14. 9 plus 5 will give you 14. So 9, 1 carry 8, and 8, 89. Okay. So 889. So 9 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 99, 881. So 889 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. This 889 will be divisible by 7, n minus 1. Now is it divisible? Let us see, is it divisible or not? So 7 1 is 7, 18, 7 2 is 14, 18 minus 14 will be 4, 49, 7 7 is 49. So 127 minus 1 will come here, plus 1 equal to n. So therefore n equal to 128. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So therefore 128 3-digit, 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Next, question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? It's said here between 10 and 250. So we'll try to understand this between. If it is said between, so the numbers will start from 11, 12. And the last number 250 will not be included. So it will become 249. So if it is said between, so 10 and 250 will not be included. So the numbers will be from 11 to 249. So these are the numbers. But from this number, we need to see that how many multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 only we will be including here. So multiple of 4 always the even numbers. That means 11 will not be included. So the series will start from 12. So therefore the required AP is, so the first number will be 12. As it is multiple of 4, so this 4 will be your common difference. So 12 plus 4 will be your 16. Then 249. So the required AP is 12, 16. As we know, the multiple of 4 are always the even numbers. So 249 is not, it is not an even number. But the number before 249 is 248. So let us check that 248, which is an even number, is divisible by 4 or not. So 4, 6 are 6 4 are 24. 8 will come down. 4 2 are 8. Yes, 242 is divisible by 62. So your 248 is also the multiple of 4. 4 into 62 will give you 248. But in the question we need to find out how many multiples of 4 are there between 10 and 250. That means how many multiples? That means we need to find out number of terms in this AP. So number of terms means your n. So let us write whatever given here. A is given as 12. D is your 16 minus 12, which will be equal to 4. And from this question also we know the difference will be a 4. An is given your 248. So An is your 248. So we know that An equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So An equal to 248. A is your 12 plus n minus 1. D is your 4. And 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 248 minus 12 will be 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. That means 236 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. Is it? Why divided by 4? Because the last equation it was 236 n minus 1 into 4. This 4 will come, this side will be divided. So 236 by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So 230 is divided by 4. So let us cancel this. 4. So 4 4 is 16. 4 6 is 24. So 4 4 is 16. 23 minus 16. 23 minus 16 will be your 7. 4 4 is 4 6 is 24. That means 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. 4 7 is 28. 4 8 is 32. 4 9 is 36. 4 9 is 36. So 59 equal to n minus 1. 59 plus 1 is equal to n. N equal to 60. So n we got as 60. So hence how many numbers are there? So 60 numbers which are 60 numbers which are multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Next question, question number 15. For what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms? Are the nth terms of the two APs? Nth terms of the two APs will be equal. So for what value of n would the nth term of the two APs will be equal? So let 63, 65, 67 be the first AP. 3, 10, 17 be the second AP. And the nth term for that, so let an and capital An be the nth terms of the first and the second AP. As we don't know the first term, so I have taken the first term as an, small an and capital An. Sorry, as we don't know the nth term, so I have taken an and capital An, the nth term for first and second AP. So as it is given that the nth term nth term of the two APs are equal. It is given that nth term of two APs are equal. So we need to find out the value of n. So since nth term of both the APs are equal, so an equal to capital AN. So nth term of both the APs are equal. So for AN we can write A plus n minus 1 D. Then for this we can write capital A plus n minus 1 D. In both the case, your first term and common difference are different. For the first AP, your A is your 63 and we need to find out. In this case, your D will be 65 minus 63 will be 2. Second AP, A is your 3, n minus 1. D in this case, 10 minus 3 will give you 7. So now 63. Let me bring this 3 this side. So minus 3 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So we got 60 equal to n minus 1 to n minus 1 7. Then I will take this n minus 1 into 2 to the other side. 7 n minus 1 is already there. So 7 n minus 1 minus 2 n minus 1. 60 equal to, I can take from both n minus 1 as common. So if I take n minus 1 as common, so within bracket I should write here 7 minus 2. So 60 equal to n minus 1, 7 minus 2 will be your 5. So 5 is multiplied here. If we take it to the other side, it will be divided. So we can write 60 by 5. Okay. So 60 by 5 equal to n minus 1. So 5 12 is 60. 12 plus 1 equal to n. So we got n is 13. So for n equal to 13, the nth term of both APs are equal. The next question, that is question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term. The seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So we need to determine the AP for that given third term. So the third term we know, that is A3 given as 16. So A3 in general I can write A plus 2D, which is equal to 16. That this is equation 1. Seventh term, that means A7 is greater than the fifth term by 12. That means with the fifth term if we add 12, that will be equal to the seventh term. A7 in general I can write A plus 6D. A25 in general A plus 4D plus 12. A can be cancelled. So 6D minus 4D will be equal to 12. 2d is equal to 12. So d will be equal to 12 by 2. That means d we got as 6. So this 6 can be substituted in equation 1. Substituting d equal to 6 in equation 1, which is a plus 2d equal to 16. That means a plus 2 into 6 equal to 16. A plus 12 equal to 16. A equal to 16 minus 12, that will be equal to 4. If a we got as 4, that means the first term we got as 4. So therefore a1 first term we got as 4. Second term, that means a plus d, which means 4 plus d, 6, which is equal to 10. Third term, a plus 2d, which is given here in the question itself, but we'll try to find out. 4 plus 2 into 6, 4 plus 12 equal to 16. So the first term we got is 4, second term is 10, third term is 16. So therefore the AP is 4, 10, 16 and so on. Next, question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 20th term we need to find out, but from the last term. So in this case, we'll write the AP in reverse order. So writing the AP in reverse order. So writing the AP in reverse order. Why we are writing this AP in reverse order? Because it is said that we need to find out the 20th term from the last. From the last term we need to find out the 20th term. So if we reverse the order, the AP becomes 253, 13, 8, 3. So here A will be your 253. D will find out second term this way, 3 minus 8. Okay, 3 minus 8, which will be equal to minus 5. So therefore 20th term. So therefore 20th term from the last term is A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 D. So A, it is given as 253. 19 into D is a minus 5. So 253 minus 95. So 253 minus 95 will give you 158. Next question, question number 18. The sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. And the sum of the sixth term and the 10th term is 44. So we need to find out the first three terms of the AP. So we'll proceed with the question. So sum of fourth and eighth term. Fourth, that means your A4. Eighth, that means your A8. Fourth and the eighth term, if we add these two, we'll get 24. So A4 can be written as A plus 3D. A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. Two A's are there. We can write 2A plus 3D plus 7D. You can write 10D equal to 24. So let us take it as equation 1. Then sum of the 6th term and the 10th term. 6th term, that means A6. 10th term, that means A10 equal to 44. 6th term in general form we can write A plus 5D. 10th term I can write A plus 9D is equal to 44. So A plus A, which will be 2A. 5D plus 9D will be your 14D is equal to 44. So let us take this as equation 2. Now to solve this equation, if we subtract equation 1 and equation 2, let us see what will happen. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get 2A plus 10D equal to 24. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. 2A plus 10D equal to 24. 2A plus 14D equal to 44. So let us subtract this. Minus, minus, minus. This 2 will be cancelled. 10 minus 14. That means 10D minus 14D equal to 24 minus 44. So 10 minus 14 will be minus 4D is equal to 24 minus 44 will be your 20 minus 20. So minus minus will be cancelled. So D equal to 20 by 4. 20 by 4 will get 5. So D we got as 5. So to find out the first 3 terms, we need to put this D value in any of the equation. So substituting D equal to 5 in equation 1. So A plus 2A plus 10D equal to 24. So 2A plus 10 into 5 equal to 24. 2A equal to 24 minus 50. 2A equal to minus 26. So A will be equal to minus 26 by 2. 13. A will be equal to minus 13. So if A is a minus 13, that means your first term is your minus 13. So first term we got it as minus 13. That means A1 minus 13. A2, which means A plus D, it was minus 13 plus D. 5 minus 13 plus 5 will be minus 8. In the third term A3, A plus 2D. So minus 13 plus 2 into 5. It will be minus 13 plus 10 will be equal to minus 3. So the next question given, question number 19, that Shubha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and receive an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? He started in 1995 and he got a salary of 5,000. every year he used to get an increment of 200. That means this 5000 is your first term, this 200 is your common difference. So by increasing 200 in each year, he got the last amount, he reached into amount of 7000. That means this 7000 is your last term. Okay. So by reading the question, we need to understand that and we need to form the AP. So with this, the AP we can write here. So it will be 5000. Then 200 increment if we get, it will be 5200. Then again the next year, if 200 he got the increment, so it will become 5400. Similarly, the income he reached is 7000. So this is the series you got. So in the question it is given that in which year, that means in how many years his income reaches to 7000. In how many years, or in which year? At first we need to know in how many years. So after in which year this increment has reached to 7000. So in which year if it is asked, that means we'll find out N. So here your A is your 5000. A is your 5000. D is your 200. AN given as 7000. We know AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. AN is your 7000. A 5000. N minus 1, D is your 200. 7000 minus 5000, N minus 1, 200. So we'll get 2000 here, N minus 1, 200. So 2000 divided by 200, N minus 1. 0, 0 cancel, 2 tens are. 10 plus 1 equal to N. That means here N equal to 11. That means after 11 years, his income has reached to 7000. So after 11 years, his salary becomes 7000. But in this question it is given in which year. So in which year? 1990. He started his work in 1995. So 1995 plus 11. That means your 19. So 11 it will be 999. No, 2000. How much? 2000 2006. In 2006, his salary became rupees 7000. Question number 20, the next question. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75, find n. She started to save rupees 5 in the first week. Then in the next week she has increased 1.75. In each week she used to increase 1.75 and then increase her weekly saving by 1.75. So in the nth week her weekly saving become 20.75. So from this, your first term is your 5, then D is your common difference. So 5 plus 1 will be your 6.75. That means she used to save 6.75 in the second week. Then this way she used to save 20.75. So this will be your last term. So in which week, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, in which week she used to save 20.75? So here A equal to 5, D we got as 1.75 and AN is given as 20.75. So we need to find out N. So as we know, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is given as 20.75. A is your 5, N minus 1, D is your 1.75. So 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1, 1.75. Then converting this natural number to decimal place, so 0.00. So 20.75 minus 5.00. 20.75 minus 5.00. 5, 7, 20 minus 5 will be 15. That will be 15.75. 1.5 multiplied, so 1.75 will be divided N minus 1. So they are same decimal, like decimal numbers. So 1.5, so we can remove the decimal. Like decimal number, we can remove the decimal. Like decimal, that means they are 2 decimal place in both the numbers. Now we'll try to cancel. So with 5 3s are 15, so 17, 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. So 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15. 7 9s are 63, which is equal to N minus 1. So 9 equal to N minus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to N. So that means N equal to 10. That means in the 10th week, her weekly saving become 20.75. So therefore, in 10th week, her weekly saving become rupees 20.75.